How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to talk to you about how to build a safety program in 8 steps. Step 1, make a commitment to safety. Include safety in your company mission statement and involve the executives in setting safety-related goals. Document these goals so they can be measured and improved. This will help you to get a safety culture going and to keep safety top of mind. Step 2, learn the requirements in place for your industry. Check out the resources made available by OSHA and talk to other professionals in the industry. Sometimes it pays to bring in an outside consultant for your industry, or even if it's just a safety manager from another company like yours, they should be able to help you quite a bit. Document the requirements and advice so you can measure whether or not it gets taken care of. Step 3, identify hazards and risks. Anything with the potential to cause harm should be addressed. Talk to your employees and assess your own workplace to learn the best places to implement changes. Pay attention to things like workplace hazards such as shop layout, environmental hazards such as dust, hazardous activities such as using machinery, and finally the current culture of your company. Document these along with the items from step 2 so that these can be addressed moving forward. Step 4, develop processes and programs. These processes and programs should be specifically tailored to answer the requirements and issues from steps 2 and 3. They should also hold both management and employees accountable to safety. It's probably best to have them written and accessible to the employees, and some even require a written program as per OSHA. The regulations that require a written program are hazard communication program, a lockout tagout program or energy control procedures, a respiratory protection program, personal protective equipment or hazard assessment program, bloodborne pathogens exposure plan, an emergency action plan, permit required confined space program, an electrical safety program, a fire prevention plan, a hearing conservation program, and trenching and excavation safety. Make sure that you have all the necessary programs in place before moving on to the next step, which is step 5, educate your workforce. Make sure to cover the documents from step 4 and any other relevant information. A good rule of thumb is to train new hires, individuals who recently transferred or changed assignments, anytime a new process, substance, or piece of equipment is added, anytime new hazards are identified, or anytime refresher training is needed or required by regulations. Try to keep the training engaging and to track all of the training that takes place either in spreadsheets or in training-specific EHS tools. My thoughts to keep it engaging is try to add some humor into it or make it relevant. Step 6, investigate and track all accidents and incidents. Regardless of the severity, this will help you to prevent incidents in the future. Determine the cause of the incident, identify what could be changed, and then make sure and track corrective and preventative measures that were put in place to prevent that. Sometimes this means making changes to your previously developed documents and training. Step 7, review your program. Every year, you should review your training, procedures, and any written safety documentation you have to find holes in the program you've developed or to improve it. Go through a similar process as you just completed, but probably on a smaller scale. At this point, it pays to have a good auditing tool to work through every aspect of your safety program. Step 8, implement an EHS management software. A good software should have tools for procedures, manuals, training, auditing, incidents, and more. Doing so will make your life easier and save your company massive amounts of time and money related to safety. Check out Basic Safe to fulfill all your safety and other EHS needs. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and have a safe week.